Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks with my husband Kelly. This is day 5 of our 14-day trip to Las Vegas. We were staying at a timeshare resort called Tahiti Village. It had a shuttle that would take you to the Tropicana or the Mirage. Decisions. Those of you that have been to Las Vegas know how much there is to see and do. But we decided to go take the shuttle over to the Tropicana and walk across the street and go check out Excalibur. I have just made a video about Excalibur a few months ago, but my husband hasn't been here in about 20 years. My channel normally is about resort tours and timeshares, but I'm starting to do what we did in a day kind of videos too. So I hope you enjoy it. I get asked about Excalibur a lot because the reviews seem to be so mixed. People seem to either love it, it's their favorite place to go, or some people just absolutely hate it. So I kind of like it. I think it's kind of cool. If you're new to Vegas and new to my channel, now would be a great time for you to hit that subscribe button. I will help you find the best resort for you and your group, or if you're a solo traveler like me. This is Dick's Last Resort. I love the way I was greeted. What a warm welcoming. Gotta love genuine hospitality. It's known best for being a daringly different dining experience. Great place to take your friends to, and watch them get picked on. You never know what kind of service you're gonna have. It's very unpredictable. So now, can you get insulted? They have a really unique menu too. I mean, you could get milkshakes with booze in them, huge margaritas. They even have something where you could get this ridiculous amount of food. It's normally $79, but if you finish it all, you get it for free. Really crazy dining experience there. We did not dine there. However, we're going to be going to the Luxor for dinner, and we'll be going there in a little bit. But first, we have to go to the Excalibur box office. We're interested in seeing the Bee Gees tribute that's playing at Excalibur. Unfortunately, the line wasn't moving. There was something wrong with the computer system. We just stood there and stood there and stood there. So we decided to leave, and we're going to go find something to eat. So here is a look at the Excalibur lobby, check-in, reception, whatever you want to call it. What do you think? Do you think this place is for you? Things I like about it, I like the size of it. It's large enough, but it's not overwhelming where you're constantly lost. I love the location, and I love the fact that you could hop on the tram and go over to Mandalay Bay. It's right next door to New York, New York. It has a really good location. It has a pedestrian bridge that goes right over to MGM. From there, if you go through MGM, you could hop on the monorail and pretty much go up and down the east side of the Strip. It's a really awesome location. Another thing that's great about Excalibur is the price. It is one of the cheaper resorts that you could stay on the Strip. Another thing I like is that it is a MGM resort. It's part of that whole family of Luxor, Mandalay Bay, MGM, Bellagio, Aria, Park MGM, New York, the Cosmo. I could go on and on. There's so many resorts that are all linked together. And if you get the one player's card, you could play at all the different resorts and collect points from all the different casinos that you could use for future comp rooms, comp meals, slot play. You have a lot of different choices rather than just playing in one resort. And this area, the South Strip, this is where it's at. All the MGM resorts are here or close by. We're in Luxor right now, which is right next door to the Excalibur, another MGM resort. And we're going to be spending some time at Diablo's Cantina. I hope I didn't murder that name. We had a 20 off $40 coupon from My Vegas app. If you don't know what My Vegas app is and you're going to Las Vegas and you like getting deals, check it out. Here's a little peek at our dinner.
Kelly started eating it. How do you like it?
It's fabulous.
I've been looking for BG tickets while he's been eating.
You can't put this in front of me and expect me not to touch it. I'm like, well,
we're going to see the Bee Gees tonight.
We are.
You're ready. Yay! We're going to the slots. That way. Here we go.
Here are a few of the slot machines that we played at the Luxor. Some of the machines were familiar to us and some unfamiliar. Our first couple games we played were not very successful. We were getting a little down about it. We're like, oh gosh, I hit the bonus. I was pretty excited. And then it was $2.60, 50 cents, 15 cents. I'm like, oh man, this is going bad. My final thing was like $2.95. And then I found this machine, the Jurassic Park one. I think it was like a 50-cent minimum bet. I was pretty excited. It did pretty well for me. For 50 cents, I did really good. I was able to win back the money that me and Kelly both lost that day, and a little extra. Do you like to play slot machines at the Luxor? Let me know in the comments below what machines you like to play. Also, have you ever played this Jurassic Park game? Let me know in the comments below how you did. Did you ever make it to this bonus before?
Halfway there. There's more picks to be made. Stay on the grid to keep thinking. Let's make it.
I was pretty excited. I hit the $10 and the $50, and now $50 again. Now I'm getting pretty nervous. I don't know what to pick. I don't want the game to end. This is so much fun. I love when you actually win something. Oh, the suspense. My heart was racing. Which one would you pick?
Don't stop now. For playing the Dino Jackpot Mode.
Yeah. On a 50-cent spin. I was lucky. Very unassuming. I'm excited. I paid for our concert tickets.
Now we're back at the Excalibur. We're heading over to the Australian Bee Gees show. I have personally seen this show several other times and I've always enjoyed it. I've been a Bee Gees fan since I was a kid. The show does a really good job at showcasing all the different eras of the Bee Gees. It's just not like the 70s disco staying alive stuff. It's like all the different eras. It's a really good show if you're a big Bee Gees fan. Here's a little glimpse of what you can expect. The seating is table seating. It's not a theater. Most of the people sat through most of it, but at the end they really encouraged people to come forward and dance. It was fun. In this theater is where you'll also find the Thunder from Down Under. It's like a male review. They use this theater as well. The tickets are fairly priced for what it is. It's not a big production show. There's no dancers. There's no special effects. I personally enjoy it. I've never seen the Bee Gees myself live, so seeing any band playing all the Bee Gees songs that are good, it makes me very happy. So I enjoyed it, and so did the people that were dancing around me. Well, that was fun. Now we're going to be heading back to the Tropicana so we can catch the shuttle back to Tahiti Village. Putting this video together just seems like I didn't do too much that day, but really just walking everywhere. And everything on the map doesn't seem so far, but believe me, it's a lot farther. And I wanted to point out this Kiss machine. This is in Tropicana. For all you Kiss fans out there, this is our ride going south down the strip, even farther than the Welcome to Vegas sign. That's where we were staying in Tahiti Village. Las Vegas is a trip, though. It's truly a Disney World for adults. It's like so much eye candy. It is a YouTube content creator's dream. I'm going to leave some playlists for you at the end of this video. One is going to be if you're looking for a place to stay. One is going to be of all my resort walkthroughs and places I stayed if you want to see what they look like. I will also leave a playlist I created about what we did in a day in Las Vegas. If you're still with me, you're a total rock star. Get your butt to Vegas. Be well to yourself and be kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.